This is health promotion and behavior.
We train students as health educators to collect and analyze data, identify diverse community needs, and plan, implement, and evaluate health education programs. Students acquire knowledge in the social and behavioral sciences, health communication, educational theory and design, as well as community organization. Students in our program are also eligible to sit for the National Certified Health Education Specialist exam. Here's what our students have to say.
One of the things that I think makes this concentration special is the fact that we're able to explore the different health areas that we're interested in, focusing on health education and making it accessible and appropriate. So I've been able to explore different health topics such as nutrition, oral health, and infant mortality. And this is perfect for me because I'm not set on one specific health area.
I feel like a big thing that makes the health education concentration special is the breadth of opportunities available to you after graduation. There's a lot of things you can do with health education, and especially in health promotion.
There's many different places that you can work, whether it's in a hospital setting, community health organizations, the government, your local Florida Departments of Health. There's a lot of different places that you can work.
So the health education concentration, it has a relatively small cohort. So it's nice being able to see familiar faces. You have the opportunity to join student organizations, look at other volunteer positions and research positions, and I found the faculty to be extremely helpful in that process.
Go Bulls.
Go Bulls.
Go Bulls.